This is just a sample of the training available at itdvds.com. To see complete training, please go to itdvds.com. Let's begin the sample. Exchange 2013 license and editions is pretty simple. Basically, there's Standard and Enterprise. Standard is limited to 5 mounted mailbox databases, so you can actually have more than 5, but you can only mount 5 at any one time. And then Enterprise, you can mount 100 mailbox databases. So that's really the only difference. So if you need more than 5 mounted databases, then you'd want Enterprise. And it's not two different installers, so it's not like you install Exchange 2013 Standard Edition or you install 2013 Enterprise Edition. You just install Exchange 2013, and it's just a license key that basically unlocks the ability to mount more than 5 mailbox databases. Now, just like with previous versions of Exchange, you do need an Exchange 2013 Client Access License, or CAL. This can be per user or per device. So, per user, everybody has a CAL. Per device, let's say you have 5 computers, you get 5 CALs for those 5 computers, and then you can have as many people as you want use those 5 computers. There are 2 different types of CALs. There's Standard and Enterprise. So Enterprise is actually an add-on to the Standard, which gives you some extra features. So Standard is just going to license the use of Outlook web app and basic features. So most of the stuff we do day-to-day with Outlook and Exchange, like mail, calendars, things like that. Enterprise is going to give you some extra features like premium mobile device management, which enables more extensive policy management via Exchange ActiveSync, such as the ability to prevent a mobile phone from being used as a modem for a PC. Also, premium journaling, sometimes called user distribution list journaling, which offers more granular control and therefore potentially smaller journals by limiting journaling to email sent to or from specific users or groups. Also, premium retention policies, which isn't listed here, but retention policies are actually included in Standard, but with Enterprise, you're able to set retention policy on non-default folders and can allow users to specify retention policy for individual messages that takes precedence over retention parameters set by the system administrator. In-place hold, previously called legal hold or litigation hold, which allows authorized personnel to override all of their information retention policies and ensure that the messages already stored in specified mailboxes will be preserved, and all subsequent incoming and outgoing messages will be retained. In-place archiving, which is an excellent feature that was introduced with Exchange 2010, allows us to create an archive mailbox in a separate mailbox database, and data loss prevention and voicemail with unified messaging. So data loss prevention analyzes message contents for sensitive information such as personally identifiable information and allows administrators to configure policies to filter messages or monitor the results. And you can use Standard or Enterprise CALs. Again, Enterprise is an add-on to the Standard CAL. You can use it with either version of Exchange Standard or Enterprise. So you can have Exchange 2013 Standard, and then users can have a Standard and Enterprise CAL and be able to use all these extra features.